Wow, that was so cool. Who thinks you could pair classical dance with Doja Cat, Sam Smith, and some of Samek's other favorite artists?
Alright, well, next we got the super rare chance of seeing some of these amazing dancers perform solo, and not just in a group setting. As much as they're a tight-knit team that syncs and coordinates all of their team choreo to a T, all of them come from different schools and backgrounds.
First, we have Mana, who will be performing a Pushpanjali, a short piece that usually opens a Bharatanatyam performance, and is a way to offer flowers or respect to the Hindu gods and goddesses and the audience. Pushpa means flower and Anjali means offering. This Pushpanjali is dedicated to the elephant god Ganesha, who has many titles, such as being the son of Lord Shiva, the remover of obstacles, the lover of modaks, the one with big ears, and he who rides on a mouse, my personal favorite. You will see these descriptions being conveyed towards the end of the Pushpanjali, so watch out for them. Without further ado, here is Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta, set in Ragam Nattai and Talam Adi.
तांकिटदगदत्तोडंगत्तकुत्ता धीं 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 धींकिटदगदित्तोडंगधिक्कुत्ते तां 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 तांकिटदगदत्तोडंगत्तकुत्ता महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Thank you.